Hello everyone, welcome back to Hacks channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to create Excel sheet in Google Drive by iOS or iPhone. So since we want to learn how to make it from Google Drive, now we need to open our Google Drive before. Now on the lower right side there are plus button. Just click it and there are several options. Either you want to make a new folder, upload some files, use your camera, make a new Google Docs, Google Sheet, or Google Slides. Since we want to create a spreadsheet or Excel sheet here, so just simply click the Google Sheet. And now it will be generated into Google Sheet directly, and now you can type the titles of the documents that you want. And then click create, and now your documents are ready to use. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into these channels.